Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, screenshot not working on Windows 11, fix it fast. First method is reset and repair Snipping tool app. Second method is change keyboard settings. Third method is update keyboard driver automatically. Fourth method is update keyboard driver from my computer. Fifth method is system file checking. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.